Welcome to the new Albany branch for TUSK Tools and Look Floors. We're preparing the floor for an epoxy coating system. This is going to make it a really dust-free environment that's going to be easy to maintain, and it's also going to reduce costs on lighting. For the epoxy coating, we need to diamond grind the entire surface. The diamond grinding removes all the contamination off the surface and also opens up the porosity of the floor to enable the epoxy to get a good bond. As part of the process, we're dealing with all of the control joints and shrinkage cracking. We're filling these so we don't get an accumulation of dirt, dust and debris accumulating in all those joints. Once again, it's going to be a dust-free, really easy to maintain warehouse floor system. The control joints have been completely cleaned out, and we've used a square tip blade, and we've filled them with a cement-based repair mortar called Ardex A46. A46 is the latest technology out of Ardex, Germany, and it's suitable for external situations as well as internal situations like we're dealing with here. As you can see, we've got a long shrinkage crack that runs the entire length of the building. As part of the process of preparing the joins, we've V'd them out or cleaned them out using TUSK blades. TUSK blades are noted for their high wear characteristics and use the latest diamond technology. In our showroom, we're having a different floor finish, and that's polished concrete. The cracks and joins within the showroom, we're going to fill with a different product. That product is KLB EP52. That can be mixed with sand to fill the cracks and joins and give a really durable, permanent solution for those cracks and joins. Being an epoxy product, it's really important before we mix the hardener into the resin that we pre-mix the resin, because during transit the solids in the resin settle into the bottom of the container, so it's just important that we pre-mix the resin prior to putting the hardener in. The correct proportion is 100 parts resin to 55 parts by volume of the hardener. Now that we've primed the cracks, we're ready to make a mortar mix made up of 6-part mortar mix sand to 1 part of the mixed EP52. And we're going to use that mix to fill the cracks flush with the surface of the concrete. I've got everything pre-prepared, pre-proportioned, ready to mix, so I can go straight into filling because I've got a limited time frame. We're using 2 types of sand here. We're using the K20 sand, which is about a 0.5mm grain size. Mix in with the strong bond mortar mix to try and blend the colour, get the colour closer to the colour of the concrete. I want to slightly overfill the joins so when the diamond grinding's done, they'll grind it flush with the surface of the concrete. Okay, we've finished all our crack and joint filling. We're ready for the guys from polished concrete to come and diamond grind the entire surface. To reiterate, on our warehouse we're having an epoxy coating system. In our showroom, we're having a polished concrete system. Both are going to provide a really durable, easy to maintain surface that's going to look good for years to come.